What if a law meant to protect transgender people actually ends up taking away their identity? In March 2026, the government introduced amendments to the Transgender Persons Act, and on the surface, it sounds just like an other legal update. But the details tell a very different story. The bill tries to redefine who counts as a transgender, and more importantly, it excludes self perceived gender identity from that definition. That's a huge shift because back in NASA versus Union of India, the Supreme Court made it very clear that gender identity is something a person has the right to determine for themselves. This amendment moves away from that idea and instead focuses on fixed categories like hijra, kinner, and intersex persons, which means many people who identify as a transgender but don't fit neatly into these boxes could be left out of legal protection altogether. Over 44 student groups from law schools across India have already come out in opposition, arguing that this change undermines dignity and autonomy. Some critics are going as far as comparing this approach to colonial era laws like the Criminal Tribes Act, which was used to control and label entire communities. And that raises a bigger law question. Can a law really protect a community if it gets to decide who belongs in it? Or does that defeat the purpose of the rights in the first place? And for more such content, please subscribe.